Next topic is filling a cells. Rather than writing Monday, Tuesday, what I will write here Krishna, and I will write like Kavya. Here I will write Akila, and then Akila, and then is Saujanya, Soujanya. Saujanya. Now see, I'm just changing the font here. Now, could you see this? ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm going to drag it, ठीक है, in the same format. So, when I'm going to drag it, what is happening? It is just dragging all the data with the same format, है ना? जो कृष्णा का हमने format दिया था, all the cells are now populated with the same format. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But sometimes what will happen? You do not want, आपको same formats नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है? आपको चाहिए blank format. So what you will do after dragging, click on this small box here. Could you see this small box?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Click here, and here you will see fill without formatting. Okay. Now click on this without formatting, and you will see all the formatting will be disappear. Okay. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Clear है Fender?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So without formatting here, I guess. So let's go to some more formattings. Advanced fill में चलते हैं with the numbers things. Now see. Now here I have written 10. What if I will drag this 10 below? What will happen? Can anybody tell?
Same numbers will display.
10, 10, 10, 10, 10.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
11, 12 will come, sir. Maybe.
11, 12 will come.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Only
Maybe.
10 will come.
Only 10 will come.
If we drag 10, only will come, sir.
So let us drag it now. So when I will drag it, only 10, 10, 10 will come. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Why? Because computer is the most dumbest machine in this world. Okay? It cannot do, it do not have any intelligence. Okay? This is
Okay,
true.
sir. Yeah.
This is true. Okay? आप जितने
Yes, sir.
समझदार होगे ना, your computer will be intelligent. Okay? That much your computer will be. So हमें बताना पड़ेगा. I need to tell the computer I want to write after 10. I want to populate it with 11, then 12. So what I need to do? I just need to fill once again 11. Okay? And then I have to select both the cells, and then I need to drag it. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Sure.
Now similarly, if you give an interval of like 5 millimeter, 15. Okay? So what will happen? It will just
20, 25.
5 interval it will give. If you give an interval of 10, it will give an interval of 10, 10, 10. Now,
50.
here when we have one more thing, rather than dragging, what you can do, you can just double click on this green box. Okay? So when you will do the double click, it will automatically populate this cells. Okay?
Sir.
यहाँ तक clear है Funda?
Sir.
Sir.
Now it is January. So if I'm going to drag this January, what will happen now?
February.
January.
January only.
January only.
January only will appear.
Okay. So let me double click on this.
March, April.
February, March, April. I told you, computer is a big fool. ठीक है? January के बाद ये February देगा, because it is written that the months appear in this way only. ठीक है? Similarly, if you give Jan, it will fill with Jan, Feb, and all. Monday onwards.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Good. And same way, month you होगा तो month you, and first अगर होगा तो first, second. ठीक है? Correct? No?
Okay.
Now, in this weekdays, there is one more thing. Like if I'm going for Monday, see, when I drag it, you will see Saturday, Sundays also here, right? But
Yes,
you
sir.
but you do not want to show the Saturday, Sundays. You just want to show the weekdays. So what you will do? Click here on this option, and here you will see fill days. Could you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when you click on days, it will remove all the Saturdays, Sundays. Sorry, weekdays. See, it will just remove all the Saturdays, Sundays. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So when you want again Saturday, Sundays, so click on the days again. So it will again bring the Saturday, Sundays. Clear?
Okay.
Done, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, one more thing. Now, if I'm having 10 here, okay, and if I press Control on my keyboard and then I will drag it, so what will happen? See, एक चीज पे आप गौर करना, ठीक है? When I'm pressing Control, see, automatically a plus symbol is coming to that place. दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Right? If I'm leaving this Control, nothing is happening here, just a black plus symbol. But when I press Control, again a plus symbol is appearing, right?
Plus symbol, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
So when
sir.
you will drag by pressing Control, it will populate it with what?
What? Line numbers appears.
ठीक है? समझ में आया?
Sir.
Now, in January के case में, when you will press Control and then drag, so what will happen?
January.
Only January display.
I love the way she spoke now. January. Okay, so it will just populate with January. Okay.
Will-
Yeah, sir.
So the opposite thing happens. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
sir.
Now, what if you want to fill the cells only with the January without pressing control? Anybody? Hello?
Sir,
I just want to fill all the cells without pressing control. January. So what to do now? Like,
Select and drag it, sir.
Select and drag.
select and drag करेंगे तो वो तो जनवरी फरवरी हो जाएगा.
एक बार और जनवरी लिख के तब ड्रैग करेंगे सर.
Very good. एक बार और जनवरी लिखेंगे
लिख देंगे.
and then we will drag it. ठीक है?
Yeah. All time January will be there.
Clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
hope you are all cleared with this formatting, right? So
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can drag the same thing in a horizontal manner also. Chalo, let's do one thing. I'll write 1, 2 here. थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देते हैं. And then what I will do, I'll just drag it till 20. चलो 16 तक drag करते हैं, ठीक है? Then what I can do, I can just select all these cells and I can resize it. है ना? Then I will write 1 के बाद 2. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 4. Correct? This way I will drag. Now I will select both the cells and then I can drag till 10. देखो अब हमारा ये बन गया टेबल का फॉर्मेट.
Yes, sir.
दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So you can use these features for creating all these things. आप जहाँ तक टेबल चाहिए ना, you can create. Okay. Shall we move to the next topic then?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So the next topic is like, okay, these series which are filling are already filled in Excel, right? But what if I want to create
Yes.
my own series? Like मैंने अभी, if you have seen, like मैंने जैसे अभी सौम्या लिखा था, and I was dragging, it is filled with some different names, correct? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Dana, Divya. What if you want to create this kind of things, your own series? So in that case, see, we do need to perform some certain steps. Very easy steps. What I will do, I'll click on this file, okay? Then I'll go to this options. Fair. What I will do, I'll click on this advanced, okay? Then drag this scroll to the below. And could you see this edit custom list here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, click on this edit custom list and you will get all this custom lists here. देखो, दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Delete the previous ones because I don't need all this previous. देखो January, February, सारा it is filled here only. That is the reason it is giving you the results. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to create your own, so what you need to do is just fill it. चलो, let us take this Soumya only. Soumya, press enter. Then Vamsi we have. Then we have Kavya. Then we have
Pooja.
Yeah, Chandrakala. Then Shani Shankar. Okay, like okay, done. 5 names. Then what you need to do? Click on add. Okay. So when you will add, now see this list is now added to the custom list section, right? Now click OK. Again OK. Now you try anything. I have written Kavya, so I'll write Kavya. Then if I drag Kavya, see what will happen. Diख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
have created a
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you have a list here like Ashwarya, you already have a list. Then Akhila, Manisha, then Osman, then Ramya. What you can do is again go to this file, go to this option, advanced, drag your scroll to the below, edit custom list, and then rather than writing here, what we can do, I'll click on this small arrow. Then I will select all this series and then यहाँ पे फिर से click करके I will import it. So when I will import, see now that thing is added to this place, right? Custom list section.
Yes, sir.
Now click OK. Again, OK, you can delete this. Now, whenever you want those things, what you can do, you can write any name. You can write Ramya. And then if I'm dragging it, see, I'll get all this list. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Agar main Vamsi likhega, then I will drag. So I will get that list. Clear, no?
Yes, sir.
With the help of this, you can create your custom list. I hope the series thing is clear, no? Shall we move to the next topic?
Yes, sir.